smell of the steamer in the afternoon. Sorry. Oh, yeah. The car had a sunroof and there was a lady standing at the top of it. Yep. Yeah.
I've got a window seat at the moment.
Pardon?
I've got a window seat at the moment.
Yeah. I think this is the first time I've been this side of the Gateway Bridge. like,
What side are you?
oh no, I mean like, cause this side, like the eastern side of it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I live over that way.
Alright. Yeah, I live over at Cooper's Plains myself.
Now we look across the thing of those trains.
Yeah.
They're all driven by computers.
Yeah.
Automatic. Here's all the cars.
Yep. Jeez. I reckon thousands.
There's a rat here there.
Yeah.
I saw a vet, something there. Something there. Did you see it?
What's that?
There was a hare.
Oh no, I didn't see
Hopping
that.
along near the cat, the other side of the tree line. Bunny rabbit. Probably chip in there.
God, they go over with some weird magic shit. Yeah, the old EMU. Which one it is? Ah, number 13.
Oh, they parked it out here.
Yeah. Oh, there's one over there too. Yeah, because those ones have been decommissioned.
Albie and the main yard has all been ripped up to them. Just at least 2 sections of those from being ripped apart.
One of the ICEs. Yeah, that's the one that does the trip to Gympie and back every day. Well, they used to go up to Rockhampton. Yep.
Well, they told me
You can drive out here anytime.
Yeah.
But not on the train line.
Pardon?
Not on the train
Nah,
line.
nah.
That's down the road.
Oh, there was even one container being unloaded just back there.
Container City.
Yep. AMU06. Well, some have gone to Ipswich to be destroyed and that. And I know 01 and 04 are being preserved. And actually getting turned back into their original livery that they had when they first came out. In 24.
supposed to be one of those cars that was first put on the old bridge up to the Big Tree. They're saying probably one of the front ones. They're going to hoist it up and set it up on the old bridge.
Oh wait. I think 15.
Well, we don't see them anymore.
Yeah.
They chuck them out.
Yeah.
Not on the new Indian ones.
Yeah.
This is a shame to see something on Oh, exactly. Those things are better than the stuff we got now. Probably last one. No, that's where they dump the wagon, the wagon over, and the all hold back. Shoot out the bottom. Goes off on a conveyor belt. Coal.
I guess we're on the return now.
Yep. Must be. It is interesting to see how they do things out here.
You should come out and do a tour.
No,
I said you should.
I should. Yeah.
Yeah, come out and do a tour. They show you all around and tell you everything.
Oh. Yeah.
Except one of those chargers.
Yeah.
We're always getting used to them.
Down, doing just so fast, putting back.
Yeah, I remember when they did the farewell tour for the EMU 104. I didn't take this with me, and I went to film the train leave at Barwon Hills, and the phone was like, "Yeah, nah, that's it, I'm out." I was like, "Damn it!"
Well, there's that. There's also,
Yeah,
well, they were talking about the wife might have to get transported for other specialist care and that. And then I said, oh, well, okay. No, because they wanted to drag up with into it. I said, she won't get on the fire, it has to be around it. Take her anywhere, New South Wales. Albury, Eden, not a problem. Take her over the water. You know, I've got a thing in the industry, it's a lot. Why in the heck is this? Even my local member, and I sort of think it is, she's saying, there's nothing in there, because I was sort of stuck there, so I was to match her most of the time. And everything down there, there's a little water system,
think I included it in our list of project website.
Pardon?
I forgot about putting down trains.
Alright.
Just to think
That diesel must still be there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
this guy's got a problem.
Pardon?
He's got a problem.
Minus 30 to 40 window.
Yeah, here's the morning side. Yep.
Hi, Robert. Hello again. I'll sneak in here if I may. Yeah, why not? Are you doing what's written? Excellent. Excellent. I believe there may be a days or you didn't recognise the other day. Yeah. We didn't even plan that, did we? No. But you knew straight away. Yeah, I was.
So, yeah, I've actually been doing another day. There's plenty of bad.
It's all the ones for the work.
Yeah.
But I said we had to dig all there, and I think, yeah, you might be with you,
Good.
Happy with it?
Yeah, absolutely. Turned out well.
That one on
That's good. Good with that one? Cooper.
Yeah, I did have one. I did have one of my father. I should have given to you. Someone used. Oh no, I'm not the one I took on it. He was standing in front of me, just same steam like that.
Oh, good. My car's on the car.
Standing in front of me. I don't know where it is.
Yeah, he worked on the hedges for buses.
Yeah.
Well, I saw Chippy the other day. Chippy hedges. The sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, the UK thing. And next UK team tours is at the Regatta Hotel. I'm trying to work out whether it's better to go into the city and catch the bus or go to uni and come back. I'll go along.
Yeah, probably 6 or 1.5 dozen on the other.
Yeah. I mean, from the city, there's probably a few more buses that go there, and then you've also got the City Cat as well. That you can get off at like South Bank and that.
I went to the museum at Nursing Museum at the Royal Hospital the other day. I didn't know it was there.
There's lots of little gems hidden. I went to Burma last year, bus trip, the old School of Arts used to be in the Cultural Centre. The old School of Arts